Hello, thank you for your purchase of a vehicle noise testing kit from Cirrus Research. Let's take a look inside what you just received. So, what do we have in here? Well, we have our tripod, which is securely positioned. We have our lovely device to help you understand the 45 degrees and half a meter that you need to be from the exhaust pipe. We have a preamp mount that you can use to attach to the tripod. We have an acoustic calibrator, which will allow you to check your instrument is working correctly. We have our push and hold button so that you can get your LAF max to get that LA rep. We have our preamp and windshield. We're going to use our windshield when we're out taking the measurements. And as you may expect, we have our microphone extension cable. And we have the sound level meter, which is always a useful part.